At least 1 million brain cells have to be activated. And normally, an enlightened being, his mental activity is, there will be not 1 million brain cells. For an enlightened soul, it will be 10 billion gray cells active. 10 billion gray cells activity. Where is 1 million and where is 10 billion? When you listen and when you understand seriously all these 36 tattvas, you will understand how your brain activity becomes more chalu, more active. You don't know how sluggish you are. And all of the time, sometimes you see, okay, certain parts of my gray cells are not active. You feel sometimes you are not receptive. Sometimes you feel you are not able to receive a command from some other person. So you are not receptive because you are not ready to assimilate that command. When somebody says and calls you by your name, first initial thing is you don't receive the command. So when you don't receive the command, that very clearly says you are, certain gray cells in your brain is inactive. So you will tell, oh, I am absent-minded, I am sorry, I never heard properly. So other man who has called you will think, oh, you have some problem, hearing problem. No, you don't have. It is your attention span is zero. When your attention span is zero, that means your gray cells, you are just operating on 1 million or maximum 10 million cells. So, a normal person, especially a satsangi, your active thing is you will have at least 5 billion gray cells active, not 1 million gray cells. You understand where is 1 million, where is 10 billion? 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೋಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? You operate in that 10 crore brain cells being active, or you are only acting on 1 million gray cells active. 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 10 ಕೋಟಿ, 10 ಶತಕೋಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 100 ಶತಕೋಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So you can imagine how you are. If you look at Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, he was operating at least 10 billion gray cells. 10 ಶತಕೋಟಿ ಮೆದುಳಿನ ಕೋಶಗಳು, ಮೆದುಳಿನ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್, ಮೆದುಳಿನ ಅಣುಕೋಶಗಳು 10 ಕೋಟಿ, 10 ಶತಕೋಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ. If you look at all the enlightened beings, minimum 8 ಶತಕೋಟಿಯಿಂದ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಶತಕೋಟಿವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. They themselves know ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. They know how much of their gray cells they want to occupy themselves or they want to let go. Let go ಅಂದೇನು? They will be in a reserve store. They will have themselves in reserve. They will have it in reserve. You are eligible at least 1 ಕೋಟಿ. You are not dull and stupid. You are bright and active. I am giving you to be more bright and more active. None of you are dullards or dim-witted. You are very smart, but you don't know your capacity, your brain capacity, yourself. You just don't know how to concentrate because you are allowing your gray cells of the brain to stagger. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ 6 ಇಂಚು ಅಗಲ ಬ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ, 6 ಇಂಚು ಡೆಪ್ತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ 6 ಇಂಚು 6 inches by 6 inches by width 6 inches ಒಳಗಡೆ 10 ಶತಕೋಟಿ ಗ್ರೇ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಾಲಿಡೇಟ್. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಗರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ, ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಯಸ್ಸಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ನೋ ನೋ, you have not understood your capacity itself. You are not sharp. Mentally you are not sharp. Physically you are not sharp because age probably has caught up with you. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಗ್ಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Because you are sluggish. In your brain you are so sluggish. That is why I can't call you sluggish. In a normal parlance, in normal way we speak, that is why I keep telling you, most of you are stupid. Why? Because your mental capacity and that full capacity you are not understanding yourself. You think memory exercise is not necessary because you feel you have reached. ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಾರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಡ್ದಾಯಿತು, I am doing a wonderful job. ಇನ್ನೇನಿದ್ರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರೇ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, are you establishing the full capacity in the full, are you acting with that full potential of your brain? You are not. Half the time you are thinking of something else. And this is a surprise for you. Why? Because it is a surprise. You are not coordinating your breath. You are not coordinating every intake of energy from a breath. One breath will at least give you mental energy to nurture 10 million cells. 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನ ತಳ್ಳತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್ಗೆ. ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್, ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. If you don't understand one intake of breath, this would have activated 10ನ 3 ಸಲ 30 ಕೋಟಿ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. It will activate 30 million cells in your brain. That is the best thing. When you sleep, because by normal breathing, normal breathing activates your brain cells. When you sleep, activity gives you an in charge, fresh in charge of a brain cell. Charge your brain cells. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವೋ, ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬೆಳಗಾಗೆದ್ದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವೋ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವೋ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ a normal activity charges your brain cells. The whole point in life is keep charging your brain cells. But now today I am relieving the stress out of you and making you freshly relive your fresh mental energy. You think ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿತನ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಮಂಡೇಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ವೆನಸ್ಡೇ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, have an intense activity of the mind by just doing pranayama or thinking of some new idea or a new thought, which again lives. You relive your mental energy by charging your charge of your brain cells. Then you will not feel fatigued. Most of you feel fatigued because of lack of mental activity. Small mental activity gives you lot of stress and discomfort. I am telling you, lot of mental activity, when you charge your gray cells, then you will be fresh and enlive. You have to live your mental energy. That's what I do. Remember the old saying I used to say? Let me refresh you. Okay? That's what I do even now. Sit like a rock and work like a clock. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಲ್ಲ. Because I require new inputs. When I have to discourse, I require new inputs. My consciousness, my Chaitanya has to be linked with that supreme conscious called as Mother. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ. So when I recharge myself, I become fresh. Your activity, normal activity. So 15 minutes Friday, 15 minutes Saturday, or half an hour on a Friday and half an hour on a Saturday, you freshen yourself. You freshen yourself, mental. Have one day off. Sunday is not a day off for you. Sunday is recharging day.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.